How to find who screenshot your Snapchat story. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to find who screenshot your Snapchat story. After you open your phone, go and open up your Play Store, App Store, and make sure you update your Snapchat app like this. So after you update your Snapchat app like this, now close the Play Store, App Store, and go back and open up your, as you can see now, your Snapchat app like this. Now after you open your Snapchat, now I'll go ahead now and take a screenshot and add a story on my story like this one. So after you add a story like this, now all you have to do now is my story has been added. So now if I want to see who take a screenshot of my story, so after you open your Snapchat app like this, tap on this profile at the top left side. After you open up your profile, now scroll to down. As you can see now, here you can be able to see all your stories that you added. So all you have to do now, tap on the preview of the story. So after you open up the story, as you can see now, by default, before recently in Snapchat updates, you can be able to see a arrow beside this view section. Here is the viewers who view my story. So beside the view section, you can be able to see how many people screenshot your story. So you can tap on the view section. But recently now, Snapchat has removed this feature. Now if I tap on this, as you can see now, three dot at top, as you can see now, still there is no picture for you to see who screenshot your story on Snapchat. Recently updates, Snapchat has removed this option for seeing who screenshot your story on Snapchat. That's it guys for today's video. Now you cannot be able to see who screenshot your story on Snapchat because Snapchat has removed the option.